In this video, we'll show you how to reset an Amazon Fire tablet. Resetting your tablet is a simple step that can help resolve problems, like a frozen screen. But there are a few ways to do so, and distinguishing between them is important, so you don't lose any personal data. If your Fire tablet is running slow, freezing, or having trouble running apps, you can do a soft reset. This is also known as a power cycle, and is as simple as turning your tablet off and back on. If your tablet is still having issues, it may be time to do a hard reset, or a factory reset. This will wipe all the data from your Amazon Fire tablet and restore your device to its original settings. Before you try it, make sure to back up your device. You can check to make sure you've turned on automatic backups. Tap Settings, Device Options, Backup and Restore, and check that it is set to On. When you're ready to reset your tablet, go to Settings. Tap Device Options. Reset to factory defaults. Enter your passcode if prompted, then press Continue. Then, tap Reset to confirm your choice. After your device restarts, you may see a progress screen indicating your data is being erased. A factory reset can take time, so be patient. Once you've completed the process, follow the prompts to register your device. If your device is frozen, you can try resetting using recovery mode. First, turn your device off. Press and hold the power and volume down buttons at the same time. Release when the logo appears on the screen. Since the touchscreen won't be active, use the volume up and down buttons to navigate the recovery mode options. Press Wipe Data/Factory Reset. Then press the power button to confirm. For professional help fixing your tech, visit Asurion.com. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips.